Welcome to Sushi Chill and Grill. My name is Jan, and this is what we're gonna make today. My lazy rainbow pizza. Lots of veggies and cheese. This pizza dough is made from cauliflower. Super delicious. Now look at that. It's small, but hey, it will do fine. First, a layer of tomato sauce. And I put on 2 tablespoons. Just spread it out. Now a layer of mozzarella cheese. I also pre-cut every vegetable. Started with the red bell peppers. I really love those. They're a little bit sweet. And we're making a circle out of it. Now some zucchini. Yellow bell peppers. And some red onions. It's ready for the oven. About 12 to 15 minutes on 200 degrees. Now look at that, a little rainbow lazy pizza. I topped it off with some delicious dill sauce that's really fresh. And I put on some chives. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. I did. If you're new to the channel, then please subscribe and hit that bell for more amazing videos. And as always, see you next time.